Hey guys, this is Neil back with another video. In this video, I'll be talking about Nokia 6 2018 version. Nokia finally launched this phone today for the formal presentation. But before getting started, Happy New Year to you all, and sorry for those who think that the last video was the last video, but it was not. It was the last video of 2017. So before getting started, if you are new on this channel, consider subscribe because I am regularly coming with a video like this, or a smartphone budget video, or the laptop budget video, or weekly tech updates. So for that, consider subscribe guys. So let's talk about the specification of the Nokia 6 and what is the great and what is not so great. So let's talk about the display section. So the display section, you are getting 5.5-inch full HD display, but this phone is followed the old generations, meant it will give you the 16:9 display, not a 18:9. So it is slightly the outdated smartphone. Let's talk about the processor. So in the processor section, we are getting Snapdragon 630. Thank you Nokia for adding Snapdragon 630 in your Nokia 6 device. Let's talk about the RAM. So in the RAM section, we're getting 4 GB of RAM. Internal storage is 32 GB, and you can expand it up to 128 GB by adding micro SD cards, which is a plus point for this device. Let's talk about the camera section. The camera section, we're getting 16 megapixel rear facing camera and 8 megapixel front shooting camera, and there is no dual lens in this smartphone, which is slightly downside for 2018 smartphone. Let's talk about the battery section. With the battery section, you're getting 3000 mAh battery, not a massive amount of battery, but it is a decent amount. Let's talk about the operating system. So this phone run Android 7.1.2 stock Android out of the box, but company is not talking about the Android Oreo update, but we are thinking about that, and we are expecting the thing that Nokia will provide Android Oreo to your Nokia 6 2018 device. Let's talk about some of the special things in this smartphone. So firstly, we are getting USB Type-C under 15,000 smartphone. I will tell you the exact price of this device, but we are getting USB Type-C in this device, 3.5mm jack, Bluetooth 5.0, which is a plus point for this device. Let's talk about the another thing, which is the fingerprint scanner at the rear side underneath your camera, which is again a great thing. Let's talk about the pricing. So this device got a leak on the benchmark. So Nokia formally launched this smartphone with their price tag. So this device with a price tag of CNY 1499. Yeah, you are right. This device got launched in China, and if we convert this price into the Indian variant, so it will be around 14,500 Indian rupees, and for 64 GB variant you have to pay CNY 1699, means 16,600 Indian rupees. So what is my thought about this device? See, processor section is good, display is not so great, RAM okay, internal storage not so great, battery okay, camera not so good and not so bad, and the fingerprint and other things are balanced. Operating system not so good, again from the Nokia. So as per my thought, this device get a slightly hiked price. If this device come in India in couple of months or couple of 6 to 8 months, so this device if get a price tag of 10 to 11,000 Indian rupees, it will be great for the Indian consumer, because this phone don't have the 18:9 display. Second thing, this phone is not having a massive amount of battery like a 5000 mAh battery. Then the next thing, this phone is not including a dual camera, because in this price range Motorola and Xiaomi now providing you the dual lens camera, and without the dual lens this phone is not supporting the portrait mode, so which is again a downside. Nowadays you are getting portrait mode in 6 to 7,000 price device from the Carbon and Micromax, so which is a downside for the Nokia. So as per my thought, this device is hiked price because of the brand name. So HMD Global, please when you come in India, put your device price down. So that's it from me guys. What do you think about this device? Let me know in the comment sections. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more videos from me, subscribe the channel. If you have any type of suggestion, comment below. Thanks for watching. Peace.